So just show. That's so nice.
Just feel very. That's great.
Yeah.
He's not coming here from.
I told you we must go. Papa, I told you we must go out inside.
Yeah. But it's nice to stay undercover here, right? Right? No?
I thought you just said you would just go that way.
Yeah, I was gonna go all the way there, and then the road goes there, and then I will see you there. You see, it goes round, so it takes Papa a little bit longer time. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What about Polly? What if some bad magic can learn?
I would hear him scream. And it's right here. I wasn't far away, I was just behind those trees. Right? So we were supposed to meet there, that was the point. But Kuya decided to take the bike from his little brother. When no grown-ups are looking, right? Yeah.
Polly, you take the U because I'm out of my back of the U. I was running after Polly.
You should have just let him bike. That was the plan.
Yeah, she was 2,000.
But no grown-ups. Okay, it's time for Kuya to have the bike back. Spider?
Yeah, it's a spike. It's a spike.
Yeah. Where is it? Show Baba.
And it's small idea.
Where is it?
I think that's some kind of fly.
Oh, there. I could always. Oh, yeah. Now I can see. Is that one?